All right, hey, how are you? So we're going to do a quick little demo of LeadLeaf and all the different attributes of what it has to offer because it has a lot of different things and I'm going to show you here right now. So right here is a dashboard. Whenever you first log in, you'll be able to see the dashboard, see the different amount of opportunities that you have in your pipeline. What is the value of that pipeline, the conversion rate of your close, and be able to even see everything broken down into colors as well. So even from down here to manual actions, how many phone calls are actually coming in, how many text messages are coming in, are there different tasks for you for that assigned employee that day, and also where are all the actual leads coming from. So whether it be Google, past client, Uncle Fred, vendor referral, etc. So after we get over to here, we can even go into our conversations tab and where we can see live conversations of what's going on back and forth between all of your contacts. So whether you're shooting them a text message really quick here and easy, or you can shoot them an email right here. Now there's a lot of cool things and I'll show this to you as well, but there's trigger links where you can automatically send them a link to your website. And then once they click on that link, it actually does certain automated features for you, so you don't have to do multiple different things, move them from different stages to the pipeline, etc. So you're able to keep track of everything else for that person right here. And then even keep track of their notes, any appointments that are upcoming, any different tasks that you have assigned to them. And even from when you keep on scrolling down more, there's general information that you can put in here for their addresses and any different additional information for questions that you can also send them as well. And then you can assign them to what different opportunities. Opportunities are pipelines as far as your sales flow, a new lead, your first touch, your second touch, etc. And any kind of workflows. Now, workflows and campaigns are automations. So whenever a lead comes in, it sends them out a text message right away, or and an email, and maybe a survey or an appointment booker, whatever else it is. It does that really simple and easy. So say someone doesn't want to be text messaged a lot, right? So they can actually respond, stop. It will automatically put an X for text messages, but you are still able to send them emails and calls. Or if you want to DND, do not disturb on all channels, you can literally click that X and it does that from there. Really simple, really easy. So if we jump over into the opportunities, you can make as many pipelines as you want here. It's unlimited pipelines, and then you can customize each pipeline. So from here, we have new leads, hot leads, first touch, second touch, sent presentation, etc., right? So then we can just move them from different stages in just dragging and dropping. So if you actually create an appointment with this person, say a demo request, right? And we put this out to maybe next year, and a slot, you can choose between half-hour slots, 15 increment slots, an hour slot, whatever else you want to do, and it'll keep track of that time period right there as well. Now, even in your pipelines, if you wanted to, say, adjust one of these and you don't like how it is, you literally just move it up and down. That's it. You want to add a stage, new stage here, right? And then you can just move that around, whatever else you want to do. You don't like it, just close out of it and delete it. It's very simple. If you want to, visually see this in the pie chart, you can click on that, or the funnel chart as well too. You can also see this as well. And so from here, we can even go into the payment section. Now, you can send out invoices from here. Even you can have different orders sent out from here. If you have people on a subscription basis where you're doing monthly fulfillments or whatever else you're doing, all the subscriptions can be tracked here as well. And even with transactions, they'll be able to keep a list of all your transactions right here. Very simple. If you have any products you're selling, any kind of like t-shirt business or whatever else it may be, you can keep track of all your products in here. Any coupons, you can keep track of all your different coupons you're doing, and in your tax settings for anywhere you may be. And integrations with PayPal, Stripe, and also authorize.net. So let's move to the next stage. So let's go over to marketing. Now, marketing has a plethora of great tools. Now, the biggest thing is the social planner. So you can link up your Facebook, your Instagram, your Google My Business, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, everything else, and you can post everything right from here. All you do is just click on one of the services, and then you start to fill out all your different information right here. Very simple and easy. And even with the campaigns from email, so you can set up different email campaigns and templates. And we even give you some different templates to choose from whenever you're coming on board with us for additional purchases, or we have a different special, wink, wink, we can offer you as well. And so you can just literally, we'll be able to add some of these different prearranged templates in your business as well. So if you needed a holiday one, or you needed something for a Black Friday, we can literally select that and send it right over to your account. Really simple and easy. And these are so easy to work with. It's literally just dragging and dropping anything else you want to do. If you wanted to add a video here, it's literally that easy. You can have any kind of video selection from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, HTML5, etc. within this. It is so easy to work with this process. So even with the templates, now the templates are very simple and easy to work with. What the actual templates are very simple, like work follow-ups, schedule times, whatever you're going to say, and people might ask you the same question over and over. So all you're going to do is basically add in either a text template or an email template. And so whenever you're in, say, the conversation, if we go back really quick to, say, conversations really quick, and we wanted to send them over a message, use a template, and we can select a template and schedule a time to talk, and then you can click on use template, and it will send them that link right away. Just like this, right? So that is exactly, here's a link, you can schedule some time to talk to us, and that's how that works. It is so easy to work with templates. It just eliminates a lot of that time barrier. Now, even with trigger links, which they are absolutely amazing. So you can put different links in here, and what they do is whenever someone clicks on one of these specific links, and it could be to a specific page or a form they fill out, whatever else it is, then it will set up an automatic list of actions afterwards. And I'll show you that in workflows in just 1 second. And what the software also does, it has an affiliate manager. So if you have people out there repping your brand and they are saying, hey, listen, this is amazing. Here, go use these people. Here's a specific link. Now this will track all that for you from all your different affiliates and even your payouts. This is absolutely incredible because normally you have to have multiple different levels of software and even to have this option for you. Now, the automation, which is the biggest aspect of this software, it's so incredibly awesome. So, for example, like I was talking about the trigger links, right? So if we go to a trigger link campaign, meaning that whenever a trigger link is clicked, we can go in here and say the filters are, trigger link is clicked to which of the trigger links, and we put the LeadLeaf website, and then we have a series of actions. We can then add them to an opportunity. We can designate which pipeline it's going to, in which stage in the pipeline it's going to, the opportunity name, and all we're doing is just basically pulling up their contact name, first name, last name, email, whatever information that you want on here, it can do. The opportunity source, say, came from Google, and then what's the value of that lead, right? So we can save that action. And we can do a ton of different communications here. It has different webhooks where it can go into a Zapier or whatever else you want to do from there. You can even send them a review request directly from here or send them off on automatic tasks as well. Really simple. So from this is a huge platform, and you can do many different statements with this. And just for an example, let's try to go here. So whenever an appointment comes in, they get a confirmation email. 24 hours before the appointment, another email gets sent out. A text message gets sent out as well. So you can do everything else here, or you can create your own template. Once again, remember, So then from there, 1 hour before the appointment, they're also getting an email and a text message reminder. After the appointment, you're getting an internal notification. Hey, how did it go? Did they click on this link? Did they show and pay for your services? Yes or no? Then if they did, it's going to go down this pipeline, right? Then if no, then it's going to go down this pipeline. And you can span this out to the best of your ability and whatever else you're thinking of, right? Every business works a little bit differently, but this can handle any other aspect of what you're kind of looking for. So the sites aspect is absolutely incredible. So you can create specific landing pages and sales funnels for your website. And it's unlimited. There's no limit to any of this stuff. So if you wanted to have a services landing page and you wanted to edit this really quick, it is literally dragging and dropping any of this information for this. So say you wanted to, maybe add a image down below here, right? So it's literally just clicking and dragging, and then boom, right from here, you keep on scrolling down, click on a picture, and we'll put in our LeadLeaf logo right there. So it's literally just dragging and dropping whatever you want to do and making this so easy to work with. So if you are scared of building your own website and updating different things, don't be scared anymore. This is so simplistic that you'll be a website guru builder to the stars after this. Really simple and easy. So from there, we even do websites on here also. So you can literally build out a simple website, and we can even help you with that. So we already have home, about, portfolio pages, services page, and it's all done right here. So easy to work and navigate, right? So even still, we can even help you with adding a template for you as well that are already built out for you. So we can even help you with specific things to kind of help you with your brand and launching new ideas, new products, really, really easy. Blogs are a great thing to keep track of new products that are always going out there, and they're all SEO'd very well. Also, to make sure that everything else is on the same page and people are always, interested in what you're putting out, and those can link right to your websites on here, and also even your funnels. Very awesome. Now, we even have WordPress integration where we can do WordPress hosting, or you can even do WordPress hosting for you and your clients as well too. And there's also memberships. So say you're not sure about the memberships, or maybe you have a coaching program as well too that you want to have your own membership platform on here. You can do this all here, simple and easy. You don't need to have Kajabi, you don't need to have ClickFunnels, you don't need to have 14 different softwares. This all has everything in one. So even from the hot products, you're just moving things around, right? So you're creating subcategories and then other categories underneath there. So you can even add videos, really simple and easy with there. And we even host the videos within our platform. So you don't have to link up a Vimeo or a YouTube video. This is huge, and it works so fast. So this is just another game changer right here. Forms are a major platform of what we do as well. You put these on your website, and they are just so easy to make and build and everything else. So we'll make one from scratch. So I'm going to drag and drop a first name, a last name in here. We want maybe an email and a phone number. What's the company organization? And then we're even going to go down to, say, we're going to add a CAPTCHA and say down a button down here, right? And we can even designate that button's going to be full width. We're going to have some different corners on this button to jazz it up a little bit. The background, we're going to make it blue. And then we can add whatever else you want to say, right? Click me here, right? And then once you have this form, you can integrate this form. Now, you can have it as a sticky sidebar, a polite slide in, right? Or you wanted to do a pop-up or an inline graphic. This stuff is absolutely amazing. So from there, you can just copy the embed code, copy the link, Open the form link is very, very simple. So you actually have options for all of this. So even still, if you go back really quick to the automation, you can set up a simple automation really quick and easy. And we even help you out with this stuff. We'll start from scratch. We'll create a new workflow. And from here, we'll do a form. So once a form has been submitted, we're going to add a filter. And then form is, say, check your website form. And then once that form has been sent out, then we can set up internal notifications. So then therefore you'll get an email and then it'll notify you of everything else here. You fill out your name, your email, from user type. So if you have many different sales reps and maybe that lead just wants to go to a specific sales rep, you can do many things here. This is just really the tip of the iceberg with this entire platform. So even within sites, it has survey builders also. So maybe if you're a real estate agent and you want to look for a little bit more of detail of like, hey, when are you looking to move? What's your credit score now? How much do you want to spend? What area do you want to be in? You can set up this entire survey, and it's all is just different slides and just asking them specific questions, and then this will fill out to you guys as well. Another thing is amazing is our chat widget. You can put this on the bottom end of your website, and it's simple. Grab some body code, copy and paste, and it already embeds everything else in here. You can change your intro message. You don't like this smiling girl, you can put a picture of your smiling face on there. So return visitors, it keeps track of that as well. So you can also put in, hey, welcome back, and you have their name that they already filled out. So within the widget window, you can have, say you don't like the way that looks, you want it to be, say, green or your color scheme, you can change this up as well. If you want agency branding, you can put your own agency in there as well too. And acknowledgement settings, so you can say, hey, thanks, one of our representatives will contact you shortly. It also has media libraries and URL directs as well too for your website, which is absolutely incredible. The biggest thing too is your reputation management. So within here, you can send out review requests and it will go to them, and you'll be able to track in here whether they have seen it, they've opened it, if they have been sent, etc. Right? So everything else is done here with the overview, the average rating, how many positive, how many negatives, what's the trend, latest review requests, etc. So this is just a demo site, so there's not much data in here because it has to link up to your Google, My Business, and or Facebook. So within those, it keeps track of everything else for you. So then lastly, but certainly not least, because the reporting aspect of this software is absolutely incredible. So within this, it keeps track of your Google ads, your Facebook ads, any of your call reporting, your agent reporting, and so much more. And if you've ever worked in Google ads and Facebook ads, it can get a little convoluted of there's so many numbers. It's so hard to just see exactly what's your average click-through rate, what's your cost per conversion. You want to see that information quickly, right? So this does that for you. So you see the different campaigns you're working on, how many clicks, what's the cost, revenue, what's the click-through rate, what's the sales, etc. All simple and easy. Even links up with Facebook ads as well. What's the impressions, what's your spend, what's your cost per conversion. Everything else is imported from here because all you're doing is just integrating it and linking up your Facebook and your Google accounts from here also. And you're able to see your conversion reporting whenever the leads are actually coming in. You're able to see all these different reports. So you're now able to see, okay, Joe's doing well, Sue is not doing very, very well. So we need to give her a little bit of extra boost with some training, even with agent reporting as well too. And it has an amazing leaderboard. This is great for sales reps because then they can see, hey, I got to get 2 more sales to beat Joe, and Mary's got to, she's on the bottom of the end. She's not going to make the cut this weekend, so we got to get Mary up a little bit more, right? So you're able to see all the different metrics of how many calls are actually answered, how many failed, what's the efficiency, and so much more. Even for appointment reporting, how many people have actually made appointments with you, they have scheduled, are there no-shows, what is going on with it. So these are just some of the aspects with LeadLeaf of what it can do. This thing has so many different avenues to help your business grow and make things exponentially easier. So hopefully this will be a right fit for you. You can schedule some time to talk with us for a free demo or sign up for a free trial to get started yourself. Hopefully this helps, and we will see you soon.